Uy, bakbakan season na naman! And this is the Honor X9d. Fresh from the success ng mga predecessor niya, lalo sa X9C, this is another hard-smashing phone. And good news guys, pag bumili ka na itong phone na ito, you stand a chance to win a Tesla Cybertruck. Pero hindi raffle pag-uusapan natin, we'll talk more about this phone kung bakit mas nag-improve na siya compared to its predecessor. Tara, kwentuhan tayo. So, kita natin, the box looks pretty nice and maganda-gandang print. Makita mo X9d 5G dito and yung color of choice mo, which ang meron ko is the color reddish brown. Meron pa siyang dalawang other color which is the white and the black one. So, unbox muna natin. Ito yung phone. Meron siyang small pouch dito. Andito ating panundot. Meron tayong quick start guide na wala naman nagbabasa. Ito ang kanyang jelly case. Malambot ang kanyang jelly case. Color black. We have your A to C cable. And we have your 66 watts na Honor supercharged na charging brick. So ngayon, tinanan natin ang phone. Uy, magandang kanyang pagka-reddish brown na. I like it. And itong Honor X9d na may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB storage is currently priced at $17,999. And for the early bird buyers, you stand a chance to win the Tesla Cybertruck. Na kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede bumili nitong phone na ito, I'll post the link on the description or just simply click yung YouTube shopping link dyan para hindi kayo ma-scam. And you also get an official entry din sa Tesla Cybertruck pag bumili ka sa official site. So don't forget to check yung links natin. And for every purchase na binibili nyo from the links that I provided, you're basically helping me secure some new phones to review para din sa inyo. So thank you din sa mga bibili. Nabalik na tayo sa phone. Ang ganda na itong design niya, no? One of the first thing na napansin ko sa kanya is naging flat ang kanyang likod. Medyo may pagka-leathered feel itong kanyang reddish-brown na color. I'm not quite sure doon sa dalawa pero based sa picture, it's just simply plastic pack. Maganda ang kanyang pagka-two-tone dito sa kanya, gold and reddish-brown. And yung kanyang frames is also color gold, which is quite shiny, so marami kang fingerprints na pupunasan dito. Now, this one basically has a plastic back, a plastic frame, and a super cuff na glass protection sa harap. Ang tawag na dito is a aluminosilicate glass which can resist mga drops, mga pressure jets, and whatever torture na gawin mo dito sa kanya. Kahit gulungan mo pa ng Tesla Cybertruck at di pagbato-bato mo, kayang-kaya niya mag-survive. Now, base sa spec sheet, this is IP68, IP69 does a water resistance and drop resistance siya up to 2.5 meter na height. And I heard from Honor na mas pinaganda pa niya ang toughness nito phone na ito compared sa Honor X9C. Pati itong kanyang camera ring is better and tougher than the predecessor, which is for me quite good. So kung gusto mo makita ang complete spec sheet nito phone na ito, here you go. Now, one of the biggest improvement dito is ang kanyang performance. Now, mga top phones ni Honor is not known for its super duper nice na performance. But ibahin mo si Honor X9d. This one comes together with the all-new na Snapdragon 6 Gen 4, which is a big leap para sa akin compared sa 6 Gen 3. Pagdating sa performance, multitasking, wala kang maging problema dito sa phone na ito. And believe me, gamit ko to for almost 2 weeks na rin as my daily driver. And quite good na ng performance. Pagdating sa kanang 5G connectivity, wala kang maging problema sa Globe Smart and dito. Lahat yan nakapagsagap ng 5G. So, definitely peace of mind. And nag-try din naman mag-video edit dito, maglaro ng games. Kayang-kaya din naman ng phone na ito. Except that hindi AAA games ang kaya mo laruin dito. Pero pag-usapan natin later pagdating sa gaming. Now, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang Antutu benchmark score na itong phone na ito, which is the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4. 1.0 million score, which is a big step up compared sa Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, which can only give you 500,000 Antutu benchmark score. Now, if you want to see mga ibang benchmark na ginawa natin, ito, share ko sa inyo. Now, hindi lang tough itong phone na ito, si Honor X9d, but tough din ang kanyang battery. Malaki. 8,300 mAh ang kanyang battery without even adding a big weight. Dahil this one is using a silicon carbon technology which gives you a bigger capacity at no added na weight. And on top of that, 66 watts pa ang fast charging nitong phone na ito. So definitely hindi ka tinipid ni Honor pagdating sa charging, pagdating din sa battery size. In terms of battery performance, I can honestly tell you na kaya na mag-survive ng 3 araw due to its big battery size. And na-proven ko naman siya na 3 araw kayang-kaya na ito phone na ito. Basta walang heavy gaming, just using it normally, walang heavy video taking, walang heavy video chatting, walang problema, mani-mani lang 3 araw dito. And nung sinalang ko to sa BC Mart battery stress test, 22 hours and 24 minutes ang binigay sa akin na screen on time. Now, pagdating sa kanyang display, generous naman ang kanyang size, 6.79-inch na AMOLED display. 120Hz ng kanyang screen refresh rate, and meron sa 3,840Hz na PWM dimming. Mataas din ang kanyang max brightness at 6,000 nits. Now, pag ako tatanungin mo kung kamusta naman naging experience ko dito, panalong-panalo ka ng display. I would say na siguro not too much of a big leap compared sa X9C, pero pagdating dito sa social media consumption, sinasabi ko sa inyo na panalong-panalo siya dahil I did try several social media accounts dito, nasuswipe ako dito, sobrang smooth na ma-experience ko. Basta given na maganda yung internet connection, wala kang maging problema pagdating sa social media experience. And another thing na ma-appreciate mo din dito sa kanya is quite thin din ang kanyang bezels. So, better viewing experience. Now, if you're watching mga long format naman like sa YouTube and sa Netflix, okay din siya. Maganda naman ang display nito, black is blacker, and sharp din ang mga images na mapapanood mo dito. Now, pag-usapan natin kanyang audio. This one has dual stereo speakers, 5 malalaking butas dito sa ilalim, and 4 na maliliit na butas dito sa ibabaw. So, there's quite a imbalance ng sound pagdating sa ilalim and sa ibabaw, pero pakinggan lang natin kung kamusta naman kanyang quality. Well, pinatugtog natin ang #1 song for 2025, which is Golden from K-pop Demon Hunters. Sabi ko siya rin guys, so malakas ang kanyang sounds, surprisingly loud para sa isang mid-range phone like the Honor X9d. So, for me, approve ang kanyang sound experience. So pagdating naman sa gaming, I was able to play 2 titles, Honor of Kings and Call of Duty Mobile. Now, one of the first thing na napansin ko is kaya meron siyang bagong game manager. Hindi ko maalala kung meron to sa Honor X9C, pero this is for me a good improvement pagdating dito sa kanyang Magic OS 9. Feel ko naman na enhance sa aking gaming experience pag naka-turn on to sa gaming. And sa Call of Duty Mobile, ramdam ko ang kanyang improvement. Nakapaglaro kasi ako ng CODM dito na hindi naka-on yung kanyang game mode compared sa naka-on ng ganang game mode. So pagdating sa hindi naka-on ng game mode, mafe-feel mo there are quite some lags along the way, which is probably dahil hindi pa siya boosted. Yun ang analysis ko dito sa kanya. Pag naka-boosted na siya, you get a good gaming experience dito sa kanya. Wala kang magiging problema naman dito sa kanya. You can set it to high frame rates and definitely mag-enjoy ka dito sa CODM. Wala nga lang siyang frame rate counter, so hindi ko rin masabi kung ilan ang na-achieve nating frame rates. Pero tansya ko nasa 60 or 90 FPS to. Overall, the gameplay was solid and touch response was good, the sound was good. And umamod lang ako na just 34 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Pagdating sa Honor of Kings, equally said din, I think nakapag-achieve naman to na at least 60 FPS and quite good naman ang kanyang gameplay. Wala akong na-feel na lags, na frame drops, okay din ang kanyang touch response, wala akong naging problema sa kanyang sounds. Overall gameplay, it's as good as playing CODM. And equally, same din ang kanyang temperature. Umabot din siya ng 34 degrees Celsius after an hour of gameplay. Now, pag-usapan na natin ang kanyang camera, which is for me, the biggest improvement pagdating sa X9 series is yung kanyang photography. Porting a 108MP na main camera sensor with OIS together with a 5MP na depth sensor, kaya na mag-shoot up to 4K and 30 ang kanyang rear camera. Pagdating sa harap, it's a 16MP na main camera shooter which can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. Now, simulan muna natin with some outdoor shots na nakuha natin and taking a look at some of these simple shots na nakuha natin. Pansin ko it has improved over sa Honor X9C. Some of this green leaf, masasabi ko sa inyo na it's a little bit saturated pero maganda yung kanyang pagka-saturate. Yung tipong gusto mo siya i-post sa social media dahil sa ganda niya and hindi siya yung nakakairita na saturation dito. And pag kumukuha ka naman ng mga flower shot dito, mapapansin mo, sharp naman mga flowers na nakaka-capture natin. And yung kanyang color purple is a little bit saturated, a little bit more purplish than what I see with my naked eye. Pero for me, it's just okay kasi pupost ko lang din naman sa social media. If you're trying to take mga signage shots, okay naman siya, sharp na sharp naman mga nakasulat. If you're trying to take some mga building shot and trying to take a look at some of the clouds above the sky, you'll be seeing some details naman dito sa kanya. Now, one thing na na-impress ako is pagdating sa low light food photography. The mga food shots na nakuha natin are quite solid. Tuwang-tuwa na ako sa mga foods na ito, do. Ang maganda yung shots niya, to my surprise, parang mas better compared sa X9C, talagang napawaw niya ako dito. Taking some mga Christmas product shot, talagang okay naman siya. I have no problem with this camera. Mabilis naman siya mag-focus, mabilis naman siya mag-shoot. Okay na okay siya. Just for me, if you're trying mga low-light na figurine shot, kayang-kaya din naman niya. And it can even secure you some good na night photography photos like this one. Hindi naman siya super duper nice, pero I would say na pwede na. Now, if you're trying to take some photos on outdoors, you'll be able to get some nice snaps and detail naman na makikita mo sa iyong mukha. Not bad, ah. And if you're going indoor, to my surprise, these are some really nice na indoor shots na nakuha natin. Given na hindi naman sobrang well-lit ang kanyang surrounding, pero not so bad ang mga shots na nakuha ko dito on indoor. This is quite a surprise para sa akin. So check lang natin some videos from the front-facing camera. And ito naman ng front-facing camera ni Honor X9d, shooting at just 1080p and 30fps. Ito ang quality na makukuha mo. I'm just panning around. Quite stable naman siya, no? If you ask me. And the resolution's not bad, kahit 1080p and 30fps siya. And ito naman from the rear camera. Guys, right now, hawak natin si Honor X9d. And this one can shoot up to 4K and 30fps. So, well, okay naman. Hindi naman siya sobrang shaky. Pero hindi rin siya super duper stable based sa observation ko dito sa screen. But overall, I would say na yung kind of quality is quite good for its price point. And panning around, check lang natin. I'm just using my bare hand right now. Mukhang okay naman siya. Now guys, nakita na natin na this phone is not only tough, pero yung kanyang performance has taken an improvement compared sa Honor X9C. Better ang kanyang processor, better ang kanyang camera, and you can get a better gaming experience out of this phone. And of course, better na rin kanyang defense against yung mga drops and water immersions. This phone is definitely the top choice. Perfect na perfect sa mga burara gumamit ng smartphone. And of course guys, if you're interested to buy this phone, don't forget to check the link on the description or just simply click yung YouTube shopping link to be able to qualify to win a Tesla Cybertruck. So if you know anyone na interested sa phone just like this one, yung mga matibay, maganda rin ang performance, and of course, ina-encourage ko kayo to subscribe dito sa akin channel so you don't miss out yung mga good reviews just like this one. So paano yan guys? Hanggang dito muna ako and I'll see you when you see me. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.